to show you how to make a product out of stock. The first thing that you'll want to do is you want to surf to that product. Then click on Edit the Product, scroll down until you get the inventory and availability, click the Is Product in Stock so it's not checked, and then save the product. Wait a moment, and then the product will no longer be available to be ordered. You can also go through the product dashboard, so click Products, and go to the product that you're wanting to mark out of stock or in stock as well. Click the button, mark it out of stock, click the button in stock. You can also turn off products so they won't appear when they're out of stock. Go to Product Settings, then click the button for Hide Out of Stock, and then update product settings. It's nice and simple.